In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator to Gumroad products. First, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account. Once you're signed in, head over to your main dashboard. You can do this by going to the dashboard link or simply clicking on dashboard from the top navigation if you're already inside Gumroad. This is your starting point for managing all your products, sales, and settings. From your dashboard, look for the option labeled Collaborators. It's usually found in the main navigation or sidebar, depending on the current layout of Gumroad's interface. Go ahead and click on Collaborators. This section is where you'll manage everyone who shares revenue or has some level of co-creation with you on your products. On the Collaborators page, you'll see a button that says Add Collaborator. Click that button to start setting up a new collaborator. This will open a form where you can control who you're adding and what share of your earnings they'll receive. In the form, the first important field is for the email address. Click into the email field and type in your collaborator's email. Make sure this is an email they actually have access to, because Gumroad will use it to connect their account and notify them. Double check the spelling so you don't accidentally invite the wrong person. Next, you'll see a field for the collaborator's cut. This is the percentage of each sale they'll receive from the products you assign to them. Click into the cut field and enter the percentage you want to share. If you don't want them to receive a cut at all, there's usually a toggle you can switch off to disable the revenue share. You'll also see an option related to showing them as a co-creator. If you don't want their name publicly displayed as a co-creator on the product page, you can simply uncheck that box. That way they still receive their cut in the background, but they're not shown as a visible co-creator to customers. There is also a checkbox that lets you show unpublished and ineligible products. Turn this on if you want to assign collaboration to products that aren't live yet or don't yet qualify for certain features. This can be useful when you're setting things up in advance. Once you've filled in the email, adjusted the cut, and chosen your visibility options, scroll down and click on Add Collaborator. Gumroad will save your settings and send the appropriate invitation or update, and your collaborator will now be linked to your products with the permissions and revenue